I strongly believe that the African Development Bank commitment to Africa's development, deep understanding of African continent and its development challenges, as well as its broad network of relationship actors and across the world, constitute some of the bank's comparative advantage that can be leveraged to empower national and regional institutions to effectively respond to the emerging challenges. However, the challenges that is multilateral development banks need to maintain